After it was revealed for the European market last year, U.S. production has finally been confirmed for the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. Production will begin next year in spring 2024, starting with the Civic Sedan at Honda of Canada manufacturing in Alliston, Ontario. This will be followed up by the Honda Civic Hatchback, which will be assembled at the Honda Indiana Auto Plant, IAP, in Greensburg, Indiana. The Civic Hybrid replaces the Insight, which was built in Japan. Not only will the hybrid hatchback be built in the US, but the two-motor hybrid power unit will also be assembled stateside at the Honda transmission plant. The 2.0-liter engine for this system will be built nearby at the Anna engine plant. Both of these Ohio plants already supply powertrain components for the Honda CR-V Hybrid. Our associates are proud to play an important role in the Honda electrification strategy by adding production of the new Civic Hybrid to the CR-V Hybrid we now build, said Roxana Metz, plant co-lead of the Indiana Auto Plant. Sales of Honda hybrid models already represent more than 1/4 of our sales in the U.S., and we are proud to help our customers transition to the electrified future with our Made in Indiana products. Honda expects the hybrid to comprise over 40% of Civic sales in North America when it arrives next year. That's a lofty goal that should have the Civic Hybrid competing strongly with the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid and Toyota Corolla Hybrid. No additional details were shared regarding the powertrain in the U.S. According to the European specs, the Civic Hybrid uses a 2.0-liter direct injection Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors. Together, they deliver 181 horsepower and 232 lb-ft of torque, which is more power and torque than the Civic's 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and more torque than the Civic C. It's unclear if these specs will change at all for the U.S. market, but if they remain the same, the Civic Hybrid will have a power advantage over its competitors from Hyundai and Toyota. Pricing and other details should be revealed closer to the on-sale date in 2024.